Hello there, hello there, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make spinach stuffed meatloaf. Yes, we're going to stuff that meatloaf with some spinach and great seasonings, and we're going to bake it in the oven. Let's do it, okay? Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. You don't want to miss nothing, okay? And check out the links below if you want to contribute to this channel. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys. So we got about a pound of ground beef, okay? And we're going to start adding in our ingredients right away, okay? I'm going to add some garlic paste. Okay, we're going to put the equivalent of a tablespoonful. Let's do two. 2 tablespoons. We want to really bring that flavor up. Okay, and now I have, so we added the garlic paste just now. This is onion paste. You make this by putting it in a blender and blending it up with some olive oil, and you got onion paste. 1, see, 2, okay, got 3 heaping tablespoons of onion paste in there. Alright, now this is some beef broth. Mine is a powdered form. You may have a bouillon cube. If you do, you just put it in a little water and melt that down. So I have a teaspoon here. So let's add 1, 2 teaspoons, okay, of beef broth. Okay, let's add some black pepper. Kosher salt. I'm adding Sassoon everything. Okay, now I would like to add to this some milk. You can use any kind of milk you like. I'm using low fat. Okay, that's about 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to add some breadcrumbs, okay? One, 2 handfuls so far. Now I have 1 egg. Just going to beat the egg up. Okay, now let's mix this all together. As you squeeze the hamburger through your fingers to incorporate all the seasonings, the breadcrumbs, everything. Okay, so let me show you this. You can see this is very loose. See that? That's a little too loose for meatloaf. So we're going to add some more breadcrumbs. Okay, that's another handful of breadcrumbs. Let's see how this comes out. You want it the consistency of like a hamburger patty, where it holds itself together. Okay, it's a little better now. Okay, I want to add maybe 3 tablespoons more breadcrumbs. Okay, so that was 3 handfuls of breadcrumb and about 3 tablespoons full. Okay, I'm pushing it out over the whole bowl because I want to put my spinach right in the middle here. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, now I'm going to get the spinach. Give me a second. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so I have my bag of spinach. You see what I'm doing? I'm just going to put it right there in the middle. That's 1 handful. That's 2 handfuls. Okay. Now, I've got to fold the meatloaf over top of the spinach. Let's see if I can do it. I don't know. Yeah, I think I can. Bring all the edges up and just put it right over the spinach. Okay, so I gotta get my pan. I'm gonna put it in. Okay, I have my pan. So I already folded, as you can see, this side over the spinach, right? And you can still see some exposed here. So what I'm going to do is just flip this all the way over so that the leaf part is on the bottom of the pan and the ground beef is on the top. Okay, so watch me. You ready? Flipping that right out into the pan like that. Anything fall out, just leave it out. Oh, that worked out perfect, guys. Perfect. Will you look at that? And that was a pretty good trick, right? So let's rehearse what we did. We mixed up the ground beef, and then we spread the ground beef out over the bowl. Then we put the spinach in the middle, rolled over 1 part of the hamburger on top of the spinach, and then just flip the whole thing, the whole bowl, onto the pan so that the ground beef is left on the top. How about that, huh? Okay, so we're going to cook this in the oven on 400, okay? Alright, I'm thinking around, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Okay, and we'll be back in 20. Thank you. Okay guys, so our meatloaf is done. I checked the temperature. The temperature is 159, so we are good. Now I want to put the ketchup on the top. Okay, now I'm just going to put this back in the oven for another 3 minutes just for the ketchup to get a little hard on the top, okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, there's our spinach stuffed meatloaf. How about that, huh? Okay, let me take a taste. I'm going to put it on a plate. I'll be right with you. Guys, look at that, huh? Look at that. You see the spinach in there? Oh, that would be a nice presentation. You have some company over. Okay, let me take a taste. Okay. Wow. That softness of the spinach comes right through and gives it a compliment to the beef. I like it. Really good. Really good. Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. Due to the infection nationwide, life have came to a stop, and it has allowed all of us to stop and think. Yes, we are thinking these days. We have nothing else to do. We're locked in the house, and all we can do is think. We can think about what happened. What about this epidemic? What happened to my money that I didn't save? I should have picked up some more toilet paper. Oh, it's just got us thinking. Thinking, thinking, and thinking. So if you don't do nothing else through this epidemic, remember this. You can think your way out of this. Now you've figured out how you got to this point. No, you didn't cause the epidemic, but what you did cause is things that you did prior to that did not prepare you for the rainy day. So now you have time and you can think your way through. So the word of the day is think your way through the epidemic. Okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Give it a thumbs up if you like that meatloaf with the spinach. Is awesome, awesome, awesome. Stuffed spinach meatloaf. That's what we're gonna call it. Okay, until next time, check out my links below if you want to support this channel in any way. Subscribe. Thank you for all the new subscribers. We are now over 13,000 subscribers, and I love you for that. Thank you. Bye-bye.